Morning, everyone. So right now we have SPRT as a leading gapper right now. It's currently up right now to 178%. And I'm looking at this for a setup for this break of 850. If it can get above there, now it's gonna start looking good for a retest of $9. So let's see. Also, we have DYAI. It's our second leading gapper. It gapped up about 38%. But I don't know, that one, it just had a nice pop and it just faded. Right now it's trading below the VWAP, but we can see what this is going to do. So this one, let's see, 750 for a test of 75 will be good. But let's see, also we have the VWAP right about 58. It gave us kind of like a nice tap, but let's see. Oh, let's check out. Okay, let's see right now. Put this down a little bit. Okay, let's see right now. We have SPRT. Okay, what is this one going to do right now? So next 1 minute count to make a new high, it's gonna be over 24. So I'm gonna leave an order at 825. Let's see, but I'm not sure if I want to get in here. Okay, let's see right now. Because the only reason I really don't like it, because look at all these 5 minutes. They pop and then they kind of fade. So 24 was the previous 5 minute candle to make a new high. But I'm really interested to see how it's going to do around this level. Because a nice pop. I want to see the break of 40. 40, I want to see a test of 50. 850, so that's the plan for this one. And also we have well, with DYAI, with this one we only need well, it's below the VWAP. I'm not trading anything below VWAP, and then anything else is looking not too good. Let me show you guys. So we have SNCA has a third leading gapper. Look at that one. It only gapped up about 28%. Yeah, it gave us a nice move all the way to 322, but right now it's currently at 210. We also have CTX capped at about 26%. Let's see this one. Not enough volume, guys. Look at those candles. Really not interested. And then we got Acer, ACER, also below VWAP. So right now, honestly, the ones that are actually looking really good is gonna be SPRT and DYAI. Those are the ones that are actually looking good right now. Okay, let's see. But right now, well, the only one that's currently above VWAP right now, it's gonna be SPRT. Let's see. So let's see if we get a little bit more movement on it. Because you guys can see right here on the 5 minute this consolidation. So I want to see a nice pop and a short squeeze on it. So let's see if we're gonna get that right now, or maybe not. But if you wanted to be really aggressive, this could have been a dip trade as soon as you got to 806, and then your exit would have been $8. But I'm really not that confident right now on the stock. There it is. Look how easily you just broke $8. That was pretty easy the way you just broke it. If you guys have any questions, any comments, feel free to write them down below. Or if you want me to look at the stock or anything, I'll be more than happy to help you or analyze the stock for you. Okay, so now, but look at this with the SPRT. The volatility it has right now was just trading within a range. It had a nice pop and then. Okay, let me turn my headphones off. Right now it looks like it's gonna start fading away. So the previous low was 795. So let's see if we can at least stay above it. Okay, right now, volume, let's see. So those who are not members yet, there's a free link if you guys want to join us on the description. Right now, as soon as I end the stream, I pull out the momentum charts to share with the people in the class or in the chat room. So we'll have momentum on this space right here. That's where I put my momentum scanner so all of you guys can see it. Let's see what SPRT is going to do now that we have only 10 minutes till the opening. So this one is consolidating, so it's looking good. So a good break. I'm interested for the break of 8:30. That's the one I'm interested in. And then today I'm gonna limit myself to only 1,500 shares. Let's see how much can I make with 1,500 shares. So right here, let me actually add the filter. Let's see, view settings, position, and but that takes space. No, just let's see. Can have the position. But today my P&L is gonna not look, but it's not gonna be as big unless I see something is popping. Then I'll be really aggressive if something is giving us a good move. It looks like it's gonna give us a good move. So I want to be aggressive. Look at this. Look at DYAI. The nice pop it just had. Okay, see that this is a pattern. Break VWAP, retest VWAP, and next 1 minute count to make a new high. There it is. That's a pattern right there, guys. So I'm really happy for the people who took that, but trust me, even though it had this nice move, people lost money on it. So now we see SPRT pulling back a little bit. What is this going to do? Let's see. Well, right now things are not moving crazy. Okay, let me pull this to the side. And let me leave DY. I'll just leave it over there. Look at that one. Look at DY. So right now the high on that pop, it was right about, let's see, I'm gonna put this on my main chart now. It looks like this because this has a nice move for the break of 825. Well, it has space to go all the way up to let's see right now, give me 1 second, all the way to 1074 if it breaks, say 820 25. Okay, that's let's see how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna leave an order right about 8:30. It's okay, let it pull back a little bit. We also see it's SPRT. So probably next 5 minute count to make a new high. The current high right now is 720. No, my bad. I'm sorry, guys. 814 is the current high on this 5 minute candle. 766 is the VWAP. So remember, guys, you can pull down all the way there to 766, all the way to VWAP. So let's not fall FOMO, victims of FOMO on this stock because he just had the great move. So let's not just jump in because of FOMO kicking in. Alright, so let's see. We only have about 3 seconds on this current 5 minute candle, which is high 14. Let's see. I'm long there at 15. Maybe next 5 minute count to make a new high. Only took 900 shares. Let it pull back a little bit over here. Let's see. I want to see if it's gonna hold $8. Adding at 807. So now I have 1,400 shares with an average of 812. Let's see what this is going to do in this 1 minute pullback. It's still looking pretty good, so I'm not just gonna bail out right away. It needs to get above $8 though right away. It's at 8 right now, so. Okay, I see. So now next 1 minute, that's a 1 minute pullback. Next 1 minute count to make a new high is gonna be over 816. is the high on this current 1 minute candle. So I see 807. So let's see right now, this candle is about to close. So 816. Well, let it do a 1 minute pullback if it wants to do a 1 minute pullback. And then we just saw right here the moves that it can give us. So let's see. Right into the opening. So I think this is the one to be watching right at the opening. Also, if you guys want to be watching SPRT, the leading gapper, well, it pulled back way too much. A good entry will be for the break of this consolidation right here. It's right around 830, 840. So we want to see the break of 850. So right now, look at DYAI consolidating in this area. So it's making a bull flag right now. So I want to see now the break of 16, which was the previous 1 minute candle, the high. The 1 minute 809 809 810. It's kind of struggling a little bit right now, but let's see what this is going to do. I see buying come in. Okay, I see 812 13. I want to see the break of 816. Okay, it's consolidating a little bit on this area. It's okay. Now I'm just waiting for the pop. So it hit over there. 814 it hit. 816. Is it gonna break 816? I'm selling some. Look at that pop, guys, and I'm all out. So that was with the 1,400 shares. Let's see. This is my orders right here, guys. Let me pull it out to this over here. So I bought a 15. I bought 900 shares, then I added a 807. And then I sold 700 at 820 and the rest at 825 and 26. But look at that. Right now it just went. That's what I was looking for. So today I'm gonna only limit myself to 1,500 shares. Unless of course something starts popping like really good, where I'm saying no, I'm missing out a lot of money on this stock. Right now, we just had the pop, let it pull back. Look at that sell-off. So we guys still have the VWAP, but what was the high? 829 says it's the high on this current 1 minute. Previously, it was 35. So let's watch it. So this one, for the break of 825, will be looking good at the opening. For the break of this current 5 minute candle, which is 35, and then our test is gonna be 850. If it can get up to 850 or above, if it breaks 850, so 875 is gonna be our next target. If we break 875, now it's gonna be $9. But remember, guys, this has room all the way up to 1074. Taking a starter, 814. Right on this pullback. Let's see if this is gonna start curling back up. So I just have a starter right now. Right about 814, just in case it pops. I don't want to miss it, but I'm gonna keep the loss really tight at the same time. So we have about 30 seconds left until this one opens. So let's see. Right now the high over there was 815. So we have about 15 seconds left. My average is 814. Okay, so I'm gonna wait until the opening, guys. Let's watch this one. Look. Either way, it might have a dip and a bounce, or it might. Oh, look at that! Look at that! So I'm actually adding over here at 13. So now I'm with full share size. So let's see. Is it gonna break 830, 850? Let's see. Is it gonna break 850? Selling some at 41, and I'm all out 31. Could and didn't want to break. So let's see. Didn't want to. There it is. There's 50. Look at that, guys. There's 50. So 50 broke. Let's see. Okay, now it's pulling back. Let it retest it. The high right there, it was 60, 860. So let's see. I want to see buying coming in. I'm long there at 38. Only 500 shares. How low is this gonna go? Let's see. I don't want to add over here just in case. Now adding at 812. So 18 now is my new average. Right now I'm gonna wait a little bit. This is really choppy right now. Cutting it right now, so it puts me flat now. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, look at that. I thought that was the moment it was gonna pop, but I'm interested in getting back in. I'm back in at 808. I wanna see the pop. I wanna see if it's gonna start crawling back up. So 807 is my entry. And I'm gonna hold this a little bit more. This is a pullback right here. But what a great pop it gave us right at the opening. That was amazing. So let's see for the break of 8. Is it gonna break 8? Because right now our target is gonna be a 860. It was able to break it, so let's see. This one you could have just told at the opening what it was going to do. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at that trade, guys. Look at that trade. Alright guys, so those in YouTube, if you guys are more than welcome to join me. And look at this move right now. So I said 875 break, so I'm gonna put an order at 880. We have a gap over here, so for the break of $9 now. Okay, those on YouTube, have a good day, everyone. If you guys are interested, there's a free link in my description. You guys are always welcome to join. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and then just comment down below. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you later.